I could sit around and tell you all about how I wanna live my life and try to make it happen, and try to make it happen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. I know. So today is my daughter's first birthday. I can't believe she is one. Time really flies, so don't take it for granted. Today is her actual birthday. Tomorrow, Saturday, we're having her party. Nothing too big, nothing too crazy. I already knew her theme when she was born, so I've been working on things here and there ever since. Am I crazy? Probably. Do I look tired? Yes, because I am. Don't mind all the mess that's going on up in here because my creative space, it's not like done. We just moved here not even a week ago. So the theme is Alex in Wonderland. Get it? Because she's turning 1. Yeah, I'm a sucker for puns. Okay, anyway, just bring you along and show you what I got going on here. Here we go. I made this because we're gonna have 2 different types of drinks. This is just scrapbook paper and then printed paper, and then I just cut it all out and glued it. You know, nothing too crazy. This I just printed, but I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it yet. These are just tissue pom-poms and stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. Those will go around somewhere. This is Ladonna's chalkboard, and I have to take all this off. Like, it's still been filled out since I did it for Alex's baby shower, like crazy. So I gotta clean all this off, redo that. Then she also got Alex this little birthday chart, so I have to fill that out. This is a little card box that I made. It'll go like where the gifts are. I have to touch it up. That's why it's not in the finished area. So what I just finished working on are these. So we got the Alex and the Inn and the Wonderland part. There's the Wonderland. I was just trying to see spatially, is it gonna fit in the space that it's supposed to be in? I don't know, but we shall see when we cross that bridge tomorrow. Made this with basically cardstock, doily, cut out each letter because I don't have a Cricut. If the Cricut gods are listening, send me one. And then over here we have a bunch of other stuff that I made. I freehand drew this, painted it, cut it out, and then put her on cardboard. So she will stand basically on her own with nothing. And then above her, she's gonna be yelling, "Off with her gifts." And then I have her skirt part made out of strips of tablecloth that I cut. So that will be on the table, the gift table. And then over here, I have 2 Alexes that went down the rabbit hole. This font and everything, I just created it in Canva, the app. And then printed it out on my printer and then cut it out and stuck it in there. And that's just tissue paper. And then this is from Dollar Tree and this is from Dollar Tree too. These bins, which I use for organizational purposes, but today we're gonna use them for her birthday. Back here is a wicker tree that we got from downtown for our wedding. Normally it just comes with the wood, but I've had this since our wedding, and I got some little twisty vines, I think from Target around Christmas time, and I just twisted those around. Yeah, it's a garland. I twisted those around to add some more character to it or whatever, and then I put some little sparkly lights in there too, and I keep it like that year round. Now for her birthday, I just added the little clocks and these keys I got from my cousin's wedding. Shout out to Garen and Nadia. I took a few extra favors because I don't know, they were sitting there, no one was taking them, so I'm repurposing. And then over here, these took me so long to do. Like, so it looks simple, right? But I printed each one out. I glued each one to cardboard, or not cardboard, cardstock. And then I cut that out and got all these pieces. Now these posts are made up of like wrapping paper rolls. So I just wrapped those in black and white checkered paper, glued them on. And then in the bottom here, it's a formula can, okay? Because, you know, we repurpose here. So, and then I just wrapped that with tissue and called it a day. Most of them have newspaper in the bottom of them just so that they're weighted and heavier and they can't just get knocked down. And then I just cut a hole in each one and stuck it on in there. And it's stable. This is just another image I created in Canva. Printed it out and ironed it onto a little tank top for Alex and a little bow I got from Walmart. And then I also made her little tutu. I actually took pictures with her this morning, which I will insert here. Isn't she adorable? This took me a while too. Basically, I printed this out and attached it to poster board so it could be nice and firm. The foundation of this, it's like one of those Dollar Tree wreaths. And then I wrapped it with newspaper so that it could be more stable as well. You can see that's poster board that it's attached back there. Newspaper just to help keep it more sturdy and help this stand up. And then this is more of that checkered paper that I printed out. I treated it like it was fabric, and I kind of have like a pleated look going on here. And then here, this is burlap from Dollar Tree, and these cards are from Dollar Tree as well. You can get 2 decks for $1. So I just hot glued those on there. These I've had for a while. I got them for maybe like 20 cents from CVS or something, like after Valentine's Day. So we're gonna throw those in the room. This is my baby. This is her all of her months. So if you're new to my channel, she was born very sick. I have tried several times to record the video, just telling everyone about the labor and delivery story. It's just been really hard. So I promise I'll get to it when I'm emotionally ready. But she was born with a lot of health issues, and it's crazy to just look at all the progression of, you know, how far she's come. Like, God is amazing. So it's our little baby Alex. This is the invitation. I'm just covering up the address because, you know, no. This is the invitation. I just blew it up and put it in a frame, so we'll put that somewhere near the entrance area. I also made some of these paper fans out of cardstock, but I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with those either. All I know is planning a party is hard, okay? We have a lot of help. Like, there's no way I could do this. There's just no way. I feel like I'm just in over my head most of the time, but God is good. And family is necessary. I'm gonna get back to this, and I will just bring you guys along on the rest of this journey. I hope I can stay awake.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I don't know when I'll check back in. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. But I will check back in. Stay tuned. Will she fail or will she succeed? No one knows. Don't make that face. Don't do it. Please don't do it.
I found myself but never found you.